128 countries, 500 million viewers. Zee Network, India's #1 television network, offers you a bouquet of channels ranging from entertainment, cinema, music, regional, sports, news, business and lifestyle channels. We have touched millions of hearts and continue to do the same. जी ने आपके साथ बिताए कई यादगार पल, जिंदगी के कुछ अनछुए अनकहे पहलुओं को जुबां देकर, कभी हमारी खुशियों में शामिल होकर तो कभी हमारे आंसुओं को पोंछकर, और आज हमारे दिल मिल चुके हैं। आप और आपके परिवार के असीमित प्यार ने हमें बना दिया भारत का #1 एंटरटेनमेंट नेटवर्क। पिछले 2 सालों में जी देखने वालों ने 14% शेयर को 29% तक पहुंचा दिया। आपके सहयोग ने हमें पहले पायदान के और भी करीब लाकर खड़ा कर दिया। A strong and dynamic team has been responsible for making Zee a success story, and now the same team brings to you a TV channel that caters to the demands of programming on television across all age groups. With the changing face of the Indian economy, Indians are establishing a new image in the world. Movies like Lage Raho Munna Bhai, Rang De Basanti depict our changing perspective. Today, the concept remains the same, but storytelling has changed. The same change is reflected in the entertainment scenario. The television world has witnessed significant changes. One of them is an increase in the multi-television penetration from a mere 4% to 11% in the last 2 years. A new Dhadkan is beating in the same hearts of Indians across the world, and we have heard and recognized this Dhadkan. Over the years, we at Zee have mastered the art of storytelling, and today are all set to tell you stories resonating a new Dhadkan in the same Dil.
The audience taste is also gradually changing. In India, a lot of more houses now have 2 TVs instead of 1 TV. So there's an opportunity for audiences to watch varied content, slightly younger, not youth, slightly younger looking content. So we thought that if we have so many opportunities available, and if the audiences are there, why don't we invest in a totally new channel? So Zee Next, the thought was born, which is basically the younger sister of Zee TV. That's the basic premise on which channel is based.
Oh, I'm very, very excited about it. Zee has got so many channels on, and one more channel. So it's an established channel basically, Zee itself. So Zee Next, they're not going to have any difficulty in launching the channel at all. One of the so many Zee channels, you know. So Zee Next, and the whole look is very different and very glossy. So I'm very excited about it. And after a long time, I'm doing a serial. I haven't been doing serials for such a long time, so I'm very, very excited about Zee Next.
I mean, there are so many different kinds of programs coming up on this channel. So many new actors. So I think it's a very fresh channel.
As Tarun Mehra was saying, and as everybody else connected to the channel was saying, as the tagline says, Dil Wahi Dhadkan Wahi, Dil Dhadkan Nahi. It's all about having the same values, the same culture, the same things that are important to you, but yet with a fresh perspective, with a fresh presentation, fresh situations, something more contemporary, because today life is changing so fast. It's not the same as it was 20 years ago, or 15 years ago, even 5 years ago. But the thing is, our hearts are still in the same place.
Well, the look of the whole channel, the whole approach is very something that everyone can relate to in today's day and age. And I mean everyone in the family. My father will relate to it. He will like to watch and say, "Acha, that's how kids of today think, and that's how I think." And you know, it's very relatable. The whole family can watch. It's clean entertainment.
इम्तिहान की पहली घड़ी, जीतने की एक आदत, कामयाबी की पहली सीढ़ी, खुशी कुछ बात लेने की। धड़कनों का पहली बार रुकना, चेहरे पर एक नई मुस्कुराहट, याद रह जाता है बस पहला एहसास। और इन्हीं खूबसूरत पलों से बनी है जी नेक्स्ट की दुनिया। कौन कहता है पहला प्यार दोबारा नहीं होता? जी नेक्स्ट, दिल वही धड़कन नहीं। जी नेटवर्क की पेशकश।
The serial that I am doing on this channel is called Ek Thi Rajkumari, and I am playing the role of Daima in it. That is, when you see the serial, then you'll know what it is all about.
My serial is Ek Thi Rajkumari, where I'm playing महारानी संयुक्ता देवी, जो राजकुमारी की माँ बनी है वो है। थोड़ा सा ग्रे शेड है, जो अरसे बाद में एक टेलीविजन सीरियल पे ग्रे शेड कर रही हूँ। आई हैव ऑलवेज डन दिस सॉफ्ट मदर टाइप्स एंड द lovable mother type. So this is a little different from what I have done so far. So I'm really enjoying doing it. And the whole set is fantastic. I'm enjoying doing it. It's for back films. So I'm really enjoying doing it.
आसमान के तारे देखे, सपने प्यारे प्यारे देखे, देखे ना दुनिया के रास्ते। अरे अजब गजब किस्से सुन सुन के, अरमानों के धागे बुन के, बचपन गया हंसते हंसते। बावली सी मतवाली सी थी राजकुमारी, ऐसी बावली सी मतवाली सी देखी है कहीं।
दूर से बुलाने आई मुझको, ये जाने आई मेरे झरोखे के नीचे खड़ी है उमंगे। जाऊं किसके मैं पीछे, राहें दो है दोनों पीछे, खुद पे ये कैसा यकीन है भी या नहीं है न जानूं।
दिखती राजकुमारी, दिखती राजकुमारी, 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 राजकुमारी। बावली सी मतवाली सी थी राजकुमारी, ऐसी बावली सी मतवाली सी देखी है कहीं।
उंगली पकड़ के जो जिंदगी ले चली मुझे, पैरों ने सौ दर्द सीखे, खुशियाँ भी जानी। मंजिलों से अभी अभी प्यार हुआ है मुझे, जो भी हो इनको है पाना, है दिल में ये ठानी।
Been looking forward to this for years because we did Banegi Apni Baat with ZTV when it started out, and it was for the young. And I mean, I'm so excited that somebody wants to do television which with a little difference, interesting stories that appeal to young people. We're doing an amazing show called Jhume GRA, which is set in a dance academy. So it's about this Dabbu girl, this girl who has no confidence in herself, who goes into a dance academy. And they say ना कि जब जिंदगी में सारी टेंशनों को भगाने का एक ही तरीका है, बस झूमे जिया रे।
Just
it is we are exploring in this show relationships, love relationships, friendship, and seeing whether they're interchangeable. Whether if you are good friends with somebody, you can actually fall in love with them, or whether you can be good friends if you're in love. You know, something like that. And of course there are two main characters and they're both playing Bollywood actors, and the whole backdrop of the show is Bollywood.
Our show is called Hum Tum. It's coming at the time slot of 8 p.m. which is the Pyar Ishq Mohabbat slot. It's a 64 episode story. It's a triangle love story set in against a Bollywood backdrop. I play a character called Kia. Kia is a girl with specs. She's a hard-working manager of a superstar who's a sister. And Angad Sareen, another superstar who her sister is dating, is her best friend. And they have a lot of problems between them, and she always gets caught in the middle of it. So that's largely the gist of it.
कौन कहता है पहला प्यार दोबारा नहीं होता? Zee Next, दिल वही धड़कन नहीं. Zee Network की पेशकश.